Congratulations, you just made your first sale on Etsy, you finished your party dance, and then you have a thought, wait, what do I do now? What's up everyone, my name is Brendan Dopp and I teach you everything that you need to know about print on demand and Etsy. If you're new here, be sure to hit that notification bell and subscribe to my channel to make sure you do not miss out on anything that can help you make passive money online and create the lifestyle that you want. In this video, I'll answer your question, what do you do after you get your first sale on Etsy? Let's jump into my computer and get started. You first want to make sure your Etsy shop and Printful is synced and integrated. If it's not, check out my video up here. It'll walk you through step by step on exactly how to do that. After I receive an order, I do like to message my customer and tell them thank you for supporting my shop. They tend to appreciate it and it helps with reviews later on. So you have an order that comes in, Etsy will send you an email that looks just like this congratulating you on your sale, and you will receive these anytime you do have an order. It includes the order details, the shipping address, and everything that you need to know about that customer. I also suggest downloading the Sell on Etsy app. Really nice to have, especially if you're out and about or if you're on a trip, you're able to access your orders as well as message customers. And the best part about it, if you have the volume turned all the way up, it does do a cha-ching sound anytime an order comes in. After an order comes in, it does take around 30 minutes or so for that order to show up on your Printful dashboard. Just make sure again that it's synced and integrated with your shop. If you do have them synced together and that order doesn't come in for a few hours, you can message Printful support and see what the issue is and they'll be able to resolve that for you. But it does take a little bit of time, so don't panic if your order comes in through Etsy and it's not showing up immediately on Printful. It usually does just take some time for it to actually show up. If you have your settings set to manual fulfillment, you'll receive an email that looks just like this saying your incoming order is waiting for your approval. Currently your order is saved as a draft. Please review and approve the order so we can start the fulfillment process. And then you'll have to go in and approve that order before it begins fulfillment. And if you have your settings set to automatic fulfillment, you'll receive an email that looks just like this one. It says we got it, order successfully submitted, and they will fulfill and send that order out. It also tells you all of the order details, so the shirt color, quantity, and then the size. As well, it breaks down pricing details over here on the right hand side. So the total amount that you pay for shipping, the total amount you pay for the product, what the customer paid in total, and then your profit. This profit does not include your Etsy fees, so it will be a few dollars less than this. But I do suggest having your settings set up to do automatic fulfillment. That way it becomes very passive once you do the upfront work. So make sure all the print files and everything is set up exactly the way that you want. That way anytime an order comes in, fulfillment will begin automatically and Printful will handle all the shipping and everything else that involves with getting that order to your customer. I will now show you how to change those settings from manual to automatic. So we'll jump over to our Printful dashboard and I'll show you exactly how to do that. Here we are on our Printful dashboard, and on the left hand side you'll want to go over here and scroll down to where you see settings, click down on this drop arrow, and then continue to scroll down until you see orders. Click on orders, and this will take you to this page where it says settings, orders, and you will scroll down until you see order import settings. You'll see these two options, manually confirm imported orders and then automatically confirm orders to be fulfilled. And I highly suggest having this one selected. That way, anytime an order comes in, they will do the fulfillment. You don't have to approve anything. And this is how it can become a very passive source of income. After you've selected this option, be sure to hit save, and that will be all set up for you. If there are any issues with your order, it will be marked as a draft, just as you see here, and you'll receive this email showing you that you need to choose whether to sync or ignore it for fulfillment. And within the email, you can go through and click sync or ignore. Again, when you do all of the upfront work, just make sure everything is set up exactly how you want it. You have everything synced, all the variants that you want, and everything's good to go. That way, when an order comes in, it will automatically be able to go into fulfillment. So these are the different notifications that you can receive after an order comes in. Next thing we will want to do before we talk about the specific order is make sure that our payment settings are set up. So we'll go back to our Printful dashboard and I'll show you exactly how to do that. Here we are on our Printful dashboard again. On the left hand side, you will go to billing, click down on that drop down arrow, and then scroll down to billing methods. And then it'll take you here, your billing methods, and this is where you'll add your new billing method. So add whatever credit card or payment method that you would like to pay for any fulfillment that takes place on Printful. Again, make sure this is all up to date and accurate. That way, anytime an order does come in, fulfillment will be able to begin and you will have no issues or delays. Next, I want to show you how to set up your Printful wallet, which will be extremely handy in the future. So over here on the left-hand side, you'll click on Printful Wallet, and then it will take you to your Printful wallet, which is like your own little bank within Printful. And if you look down here, you can see you can auto recharge whatever amount that you'd like. So you click on this drop down arrow, and as you scroll down, you can see you can add any amount between $50 and $5,000. It's your choice, and then you click apply. and then that would add it to your wallet. That way, anytime an order comes in, they'll withdraw the money from your wallet rather than charging your credit card each individual time. Makes it for less of a headache if you're trying to keep track of your own finances. You won't have multiple transactions. You'll just have whatever your auto recharge is set to. And don't worry, if you need to withdraw your money from your Printful wallet, you can. You'll just go over here and click withdraw, and that will go back to your bank account. Really easy to set up, and I highly suggest doing, especially if you're doing high volume and you're having several sales a day. Now I will show you the different order statuses. So over here on the left-hand side, we'll go to orders, and you'll see here these different statuses. You can sort your orders by any one of these. So you have all, fulfilled, canceled, waiting fulfillment, and being fulfilled. So you'll see here on the right-hand side, it shows you your status, being fulfilled, fulfilled, and I'll talk about each one of these different statuses. So the first one is needs approval, which you'll see over here. So that's if your shop is set up to manual fulfillment where you have to approve it. It will be highlighted red just as you see, and then you'll have to go in and manually click approve, and then the fulfillment process will begin. Next status is waiting for fulfillment. So that means if the order has been approved or if you have it set up to automatic, it will automatically be approved, and it will be waiting for fulfillment, meaning it hasn't gone into production yet, but it is in the queue. And then being fulfilled means it's in production, your item has been picked, and then the printing process has begun or it will begin shortly. Another really cool feature, if you have an order that is being fulfilled, you can click on this order and it will show you exactly where it is at in fulfillment. So you can see this order completed picking 18 hours ago, it finished printing 4 hours ago, and it has completed quality control 4 hours ago, and then it still has to go through sorting, packaging, and then it will be shipped out to your customer. What's handy with this, if you have a customer that reaches out to you, they message you and ask what is the status of their order, you're able to tell them exactly where it is at in production. Fulfilled means it's finished printing and it has been sent out to your customer. On hold means either Printful has put it on hold because there's an issue, or you put it on hold because you didn't want it to go into production yet. Let's say your customer reached out to you and asked if they can still change their address, and you said yes, and you're waiting to hear back from them with that new address. You'd put it on hold so that it doesn't go into production, and then you can go and edit those details as necessary. And after that, it's really easy to take it off hold and send it into production. It's just one click. Canceled means you canceled it. Let's say a customer wanted to cancel their order or there was an issue with the transaction. You can go into your Printful dashboard and cancel the order. You can only edit orders that haven't gone into production yet. So if it's in the needs approval stage or the waiting for fulfillment stage. It's really easy to edit an order, and I'll show you how to do that right now. I will scroll down and find an order that's still in the waiting fulfillment status. This order is waiting for fulfillment. I will click on the order because I want to edit it. And then that will take you to this page. You can see you can change order, put the order on hold, copy order, or cancel order. So if you need to edit the address or the shipping method or maybe the print file, you would go and click on change order and then edit whatever details you need to edit. Really easy to do. And then after you edit those details, you'll just hit submit and everything will be updated that you edited. After your order has been fulfilled, your tracking details will be automatically updated on Etsy, and Etsy will send an automated email to your customer notifying them of their tracking details and that their item was shipped. After my customer has received their order, I do like to follow up with them and just make sure that they're fully satisfied with their purchase. Customers usually appreciate it, and it leads to positive reviews and great feedback for your customer service. That is it for when an order comes in. So honestly, if you have it set up to automatic fulfillment, there's not much you need to do. That order will come in, it will show up into your queue after 30 minutes or so on your Printful dashboard, and then fulfillment process will begin, and then Printful will ship your order out, Etsy will notify your customer, the tracking details will be updated, and then just follow up with your customer once it has been delivered if you'd like. So super hands-off, can become extremely passive after you do the upfront work. Congratulations on your first sale. This is only the beginning. Now you just have to rinse and repeat, list new designs every day, learn and grow and improve your shop, and sales will continue to come. If you found value in this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can keep learning and growing your shop. As well, check out my entire tutorial on doing print on demand and selling on the Etsy marketplace. I teach you everything that you need to know to get your shop up and running and to start making passive money online. Thank you so much for watching, my friends, and I will see you guys in the next video.